our first time. Daldal ng ating baby. So loud. Oh, this is different way, yeah? Let's try this. Nandiyan pa sila. Ay, wala ng connection.
In this way before, no?
Yeah, with the when you got the bike.
And then went down the street, yeah?
Yeah. Oh, when we walking.
Yeah.
Where is the mic? So
the reason this road's open is for these people to get here. Yeah. Without coming through the other way.
Okay. So malayo-layo ang biyahe natin, guys. 46 minutes. Sana ay hindi crowded. It's very dusty.
Yeah, that's what's wrong with this road.
Yeah. Sobrang alikabok pa kasi
it's being used by the construction traffic.
Yeah, because so new.
You're going past this council yard here, which is a lot of vehicles.
Yeah. Malapit na tayo, kaya traffic na. Did she sleep? No. No? That's fine. She's gonna sleep later.
Ano po yung bill? School po ba yun?
Ha?
Ay, no.
Wala. Let's go na, let's go. Come inside. Try sa Trafford. First time nila dito. Try.
Foreigner pala ako.
Gold! Foreigner ka rito. Sa Pilipinas, hindi.
Cool.
So, pupunta tayo ng Primarks, guys, para sa coat ng mga bata. Yung talaga yung ating pinunta dito para malaki-laki yung Primarks at syempre mura. Pasok daw tayo dito. So pretty naman. I like that coat.
Find children's sizes.
Outfit check. Uy, hindi ka nilalamig sa labas. Huwag ka dyan sa likod. Dito ka sa pila. Sunod sa'yo, malaki ka na sa akin. Hindi ginagana yung akin. Walang green dun sa taas na tumataas at tumababa. Ayun.
Mama, may dala niyo po wipes na Ella.
Andun, bakit? Mamaya ka na mag-wipes. Dudumi ulit yan. You like that? 130? Oh, so expensive. 130? Try it.
See how much the big it is. This is small. Yeah.
Sa bibig. Nagdoble na yung size mo, Nash. Nag-times 2 ka na.
That's just about okay, isn't it?
Laki. Mahal naman. Malapit na, guys, kasi ang winter, kaya tayo ay nagtitingin na ng kanilang mga coat. Hindi pa sila napasok sa school kasi may inaantay pa tayo. Michaela, 1, 2. do you want to see? To look. Ano titignan mo? Plum? Ay, ito Sai, ang kailangan natin, oh, Sanrio. Sai, Sanrio. Uy! What's that? Kayla! It's too warm in here. Hi! Hello! What's that? What's that?
I changed my mind.
How much?
£5.
Bakit ang mahal nga? £5. This is cheaper. Pasok tayo ng John Lewis, guys. Nakakainis, nalimutan ko ang aking pin ng card. It's been a long time since the last and third. Makeup? I forgot my pin. I have to check that again. Kalimutan ko talaga yung pin ko. I thought I remembered it. Cash tuloy yung ginamit namin sa Miniso. It's got dirty. You have to get black. That's nice. Men's is the next one. These are men.
Mama. Mama.
Boy.
Mama.
Black shoes yata sa school. Parang may Rachel na nito. Tunis. Cute. Cute naman ito. Ang cute. That's my dream toy. Ano pala nan? Cute. Where is Michaela? Kayla, wali?
Wala, palit tayo. Karong na lang kita.
Hindi ka na kaya nan. Bigat ka na. Parang hanggang 22 kilo lang yan.
Hindi kaya ko pala. Yung kaklase ko dyan.
Ikilang kilo lang siya.
20.
Ilapit mo naman sa camera. Ingay. Ang tuwa ang bata. Ganda oh, sinauna. Isn't it? Go, Sai, go! Primarks na. Mura ang gamit dito. Hindi ka napagod paglalakad? Hindi. Ang haba, ano?
Layo.
Kaya nga. Ganda, no? Nice. Show me. Oh, sakto lang. It's nice. Huwag pink, dumi. Dark.
Ay, ang haba. Mukha naman ako snowman.
Want to try? 11, 12. Try it. Tama naman sa Kayla. Yakap-yakap yung bote.
may jacket po.
It's okay. Yung length. Ganyan naman talaga sa totoo. Pag bumili ka ng coat, for sure naka-jacket ka rin pag sinuot mo yan.
Init.
Anong size to? Anong size to? 12, 13. Ang ganda. Pero ang haba, ano? You like that? Nice.
Pants.
Mamaya yung pants. Nice. Wala kang salamin. Ayan, kulay pink yung ano hanger sa baba. Katulad nito, oh. Ano? Try it. Ako doon. Harap. Yan, gusto mo yan. You like that? It's nice.
Tama lang, huwag dito.
But then, 11, 12, besides, sa hanger ka tumingin. Anong gusto mo, baggy? Huh? May pumindot ulit. Yan, ganda ang green.
You don't have
I want something like this, but sunblock.
Why not find number 7?
What 7? Nasa mong tuunan. Liligaw na. Ganda ng ceiling. Ganda ng ceiling, no? Ganda naman.
sa loob yung bata.
Kapila.
Yes.
Cute! Ang lakas ng music, no? Uwian na. Pagod.
Parang nandun na si Nombi pag-uwi.
Bakit? Saan pumunta?
Simba po.
Ah, church sila. Ano ba?
Christian.
Christian. Oh, no! Nasaan na yung bag? Let's do the shopping haul. Ang ganda guys ng coat, ano? Ito yung nakuha natin. How much is this? So, ready na sila for winter. I think so. I think 10 pound. So, ready na sila for winter, oh. Mikaela, oh. Ayaw ng baby natin ng ganito, oh, yung mabalahibo. So, yan. Meron tayong dalawa. Ito din. Ito, 10. Ito na yung kinuha natin. Hindi siya ganun kapal at kabigat. But it's nice. Pink. Ha? 10? Ah, 20?
Jeans were.
Jeans were 10. So, 20 pala itong kaniyang, 20 pala itong coat. Medyo mahaba na rin naman to. Oh. Hanggang legs niya na to. Then, ito. Ito, hindi ganun kapal. So, pwede siya ngayong autumn season. And then, yung jeans niya ay 10 pound. So, try mo nga ito. Ang liit. 7 to 8 years old. Maliit kasi siya eh. O, try it. Ako ang size ko ay guys, ay kids lang din. Parang 13, 14. Yes, my size is kids. So, nagpahabol tayo ng baby bra. Dalawa lang pala to?
Wag kasi kahit lang kayo ng Nombi.
Dalawa lang to? Matangkad pa nga yata sa akin. Ito pala 6 pound. Ay, parang 7 to 8 din to, Sai. Yung size mo. So, ito ay 6 pounds. So, bumili din tayo ng baby bra. Na, siyang ingay nan. It's too loud. Bilihan natin ang ating baby. Sakto? Wag. So, ito ang pang ating baby. 12 to 18 months. Ito ay 8 pounds. So, 3 pieces na siya. Para pag aalis is nakaganito siya. And then, may pants or leggings lang, ganan. Nakakuha din tayo ng ganito. And then, ito yung sa aking anak na lalaki, 12 pound. Ito ay 13, 14. Can you try it, Nash? Want to see it. So, ganda rin ito. Parang, ano din to. Tamang-tama ngayong autumn season. Kasi hindi pa naman totally spring. Spring. Winter. So, autumn pa, diba? Bago spring. So, hindi pa gano'n masyado kalamig ang autumn. It's nice. I like that too. Just right, isn't it? Sakto lang. I like that. Uy, where is Michaela's cardigan? The white you took out? There's a white cardigan. Diba? Did you pay some?
What have you got there?
Only this for Michaela.
There was some little there. Yeah.
Cardigan?
No, that's all there was.
No, I bought a
No.
separate one cardigan, no? Ay, hindi natin nakuha yung cardigan. It's nice. But anyway, it's fine. She doesn't really need a cardigan.
There was.
Show me, Nash.
You must have stored it in the bag, Nash.
Could be.
No, not that bag, the other bag.
Yeah. If you did not pay any
It's
white,
swapped over into the
it's okay.
basket.
No, there's nothing in the
No,
bag.
there was nothing in the bag.
If you did not pay a white, it's okay. Because if you did
No,
pay,
I didn't.
it's not in here. Ang ganda. It's really freezing. Ito ang ating baby. Hi, guys! I'm Dora. Dora the Explorer. Hmm?
Nash,
Ang dati kaya.
have a look in our room. There's a full-length mirror in that room.
Ah, yeah.
Tapos nakabili lang tayo ng ilang makeup sa Boots. Hindi na nga natin nagamit yung points ni Mr. Sayang. Dapat ginamit natin. It's too warm, isn't it? Bumili lang tayo ng makeup. So, ito 5 pound. Ang foam, ang mahal. And, what more did we got? A primer. Maganda rin itong primer. Ang brand niya ay Collection. Parang, ano to? 3 pound.
Too busy on your phone, not looking at the...
Ito.
No one... I'm taking the mascara back.
Where is the mascara? Mascara is 5 pound.
What?
Yeah. And what more did we got? Ah, ay ano, ito.
I could have had 2 beers.
Pen liner or eyeliner. That's it. Aray ko. Excuse me. That's all. Bye-bye daw. Bye-bye. Rock your body daw. Rock your body. Rock your body. Come on, come on. Rock your body. Defining Collection. Tingnan natin kung maganda tong brand na to. Kasi usually ako ay Maybelline. Tsaka L'Oreal sa ganito. Anyway, that's it. Bye-bye, guys. Bye-bye daw ikaw. Thank you so much for watching. Ay, why not? No? You don't want? With niacinamide and green tea. That's why I took this. Ano, maganda? Lalo ito isa maganda.
Kapal po nito.
Yan ay pang winter. Yung isa ay yes.
It's so thick for winter. Thank you.
Thank you so much, Mr.
I still preferred the super dry.
May tinignan sila yung
I said,
super dry
well,
100 plus.
that's
Kaso,
that.
baka nakawin lang daw yun sa
So,
school.
so I really like the super dry coat. It was really nice for me. But,
It's too big also. You have no size for it.
no.
Yeah, walang
I
size.
said, but you can't risk taking that to school.
Yeah, they're gonna
People
steal
will
it.
steal it.